guys, my name is Arun Kumar and I'm back with another video. Today I'm just going to show you the one more new exciting gadget, which is a spy camera also, but it comes in a button shape. So this is the device, which is a spy button camera. So we will just do the unboxing of this device. So let's just start the unboxing. So guys, this is the main packaging of the device. The device name is HY900 and it comes in a green box. So it's already mentioned on the box that this device can support like a 640 by 480 resolution. So the resolution of the device, the camera will be like 640 by 480, and it will not take too much memory of your device as well, because this device already comes with the 8 GB inbuilt memory. So you can record to like 3 to 4 hours easily in this one, in this kind of resolution. So let's just do the unboxing. This is the main device, which is a button camera. Let's see what else comes inside the box. The mini USB cable, and this is the manual. It comes in a Chinese and English, both languages. So these are the main functions of the camera. So this is the manual. Let's see the device. So this is the camera button. This is the area where the camera is hidden. Once we will remove this button, this is the camera. The camera lens is a 8 megapixel. This is a microphone for the recording of the voice. 8 GB is inbuilt memory. This is a power button. So once we will on this one, this is a start button. We have to press this one. Now the camera is activated. As you guys can see, the indicator is on and the light is blue. It means this camera is start recording. So I will just do some recording and I will show you the result of this one. And once I will just finish the recording, I will just use this USB cable to connect with my PC and just transfer the data in my PC and show you the result. So this was the result of the camera. The result is okay, because you cannot expect too much high resolution from this kind of cameras. The megapixel is only 8 and the resolution is only 640 by 480. So the camera result was okay. It's not that much good, but it's not that much bad also. So I will just give like a 6 out of 10 to this camera. But it can solve the purpose. Like, it's a hidden camera, so you can easily fix in your shirt. It's like a button, so nobody will notice, and the indicator on the back side, so nobody can see you are recording something, because the light will not show to the people. So if you guys want to buy this kind of cameras, the link is inside the description. You can buy from the website, and the cost of this one is like $32 to $35 only. It's not that much expensive, and it can solve the purpose. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel, and if you want to ask any kind of questions about this kind of cameras, you can ask me in the comment section. I will be back with a new video. Thank you.